The DJI Mini 3 drone was designed for flyers that are new to the hobby, and DJI has built a lot of advanced features into the drone that make it really easy to get up in the air and have a lot of fun. One of the features I like an awful lot is the single button takeoff and landing. It allows you to get the drone up in the air and then send it downfield to capture some amazing footage. And it's a really simple feature to use. You essentially tap this icon right there. It'll bring up a little window that says, "Are you sure you want to launch?" Just hold the button in the center. The props will spin up. The drone will elevate to about 5 feet, and it'll sit there and wait for you to fly downfield. You can do whatever you want at this point, but I love the fact that it puts it up in the air and you can see how stable that drone is. Now watch this. I'll actually land it as well. So I'll hit that same button and it'll say, "Are you sure you want to land? Make sure you're over a mat or a clear area." Hold this. It'll actually descend. And once it lands, it's going to turn off the propellers. There you go. It's just that simple. Now that's not complicated to do with the joysticks or through the application, but I love the fact that DJI is thinking about new flyers to the hobby and all the things you have to keep track of, and building a feature in like that that allows you to get it up in the air in a couple of seconds, have it wait for you to decide where you want to send it, and then when you're home, after you've done flying for a while and you've got back to your home position, hitting that button again to land it just makes things so much easier. So hopefully you found this review helpful. I like this drone an awful lot, and I think you will as well. So thanks again for watching. And until next time, stay nerdy.